Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a film so baffling, so outrageously over the top, it makes Sikandar look like a masterpiece. Buckle up because this one is a wild, chaotic ride, starting with a fight over a dropped idli and ending somewhere between a treasure hunt, naked cops, and national security threats. The movie I'm talking about is Chart by Sunny Deol. The movie is an absolute mess from the get go. It kicks off with Paji getting into a full blown fight over a spilled idli. Yes, seriously, and somehow that leads us into a convoluted treasure hunt where four goons dig up gold in Sri Lanka and make a run for it to India. What follows is a stream of absurd twists held together by pure nonsense and zero coherence. Before you know it, you are thrown headfirst into a subplot involving thorium reserves, and between all that, Paji transforms from Snack Avenger to a one man army saving the country from a cartoonish villain. Just when you think it can't get weirder, the infamous crazy lady from Ghatak makes a random cameo because why not? The plot feels like someone glued together random newspaper headlines, tossed in some outdated action scenes, and called it a script. It's unintentionally hilarious, endlessly tiring, and completely senseless. The film actually manages to outdo Sikandar in terms of sheer ridiculousness. The writing, acting, and dialogue feels straight out of a forgotten C grade 1980s movie. Sunny Deol is fully aware of his limitation as an actor and continues to cater to an audience that laps up to recycled scripts like this without even questioning. Riding on Gadar's nostalgia, he might get some initial traction, but make no mistake, chart won't last a long run. Let's be honest, when such outdated, unimaginative films manage to make money, it says more about the taste and intellect of the audience than the makers. It's a movie made by people who refuse to evolve, and it shows loudly, clumsily, and painfully. So, yeah, if you are into C grade storytelling with D grade logic, this one might just entertain you unintentionally. Otherwise, save your brain cells and skip it. Even the die-hard Sunny Deol fans might struggle to sit through this. And I don't know, there is a weird, crazy disease in Bollywood where hero never gets hit by a bullet of enemy. But every bullet of a hero hits right to the enemy. And I don't know, I don't understand this kind of action scenes, how they pull off or how they think in their mind. There is no realistic at all. So, yes, finally, don't forget to like and comment with your thoughts or survival stories after watching this movie if you have barely watched it. And subscribe for more brutally honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching me. It gives me really strength and motivation to watch such a kind of movie in today's times. So, till then, see you in the next one.